Butter and chicken are two things people love, and when you put them together, they're even better. Start by chopping up 1 pound of chicken breast into 1-inch cubes. Then put them in a bowl and season them with salt, pepper, chili powder, and turmeric. All the specifics will be in the description. Mix those up and let them marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to overnight in the fridge. Then in a skillet with some oil over medium-high heat, put the chicken in and cook it most of the way. Then chop up 3/4 cup of an onion. I also added in a couple cloves of garlic off camera. Flip the chicken once you've got some nice browning on the first side. It should sound like this. Then once it's cooked about 80% of the way through, take it out and put in the onion. Then season it with garam masala, chili powder, cumin, cayenne, ginger, salt, and pepper. Add in some more butter if you think the pan is too dry. Once the onion and spices have toasted together, put in 7 ounces of tomato sauce. Then, once that comes up to a simmer, mix in 1/2 cup of water and heavy cream. Then add the chicken back to the pan and let it simmer from 15 to 20 minutes. Also add in 2 tablespoons of butter to bind the sauce together. After it's done simmering, when you split it, it should look like this. Put that in the bowl with some perfectly cooked basmati rice, and that is incredible.